A 5-minute face glow ritual straight out of my kitchen. Greek yogurt, rose water, and a pinch of turmeric, nature's own golden healer. Greek yogurt gently exfoliates and cools the skin. Rose water tones, soothes, and adds that soft floral freshness. Together, they give me that post-facial glow without even leaving home. See, you just need that much. So much is still left. It calms inflammation, brightens dull skin, and makes me feel nourished inside and out. This isn't a DIY, it's my skin's quiet reset button.